Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fade an image in Figma. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly fade an image here in Figma? Well, fading an image in Figma is actually pretty easy, but there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So first things first, is going to add our first shape here. So for our first shape here, we want to change this into a gradient. So at the right side, you want to go to fill here, click on the color, you want to go and choose gradient here, and you want to go and just change a few things here. Like for example, the darker part is the part that will be visible. The lighter part is going to be the one that's going to be kind of invisible. So you could go and change this, change the color if you want. I'm going to make this a little bit darker here. But obviously you could go and change as much as you can. So yeah, so in this case, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and duplicate this layer. So once you're done, so by the way, you could go ahead and change this. You can further change this if you want, as you can see. But yeah, let's go ahead and add or duplicate this one. Let's go and copy this and Control V to make a copy. Now for the second copy, what you need to do, you want to change this into a solid color, but you want to go and change this into an image afterwards. And you go and just upload your image. Now, for example, we want to go ahead and use an image here that could clearly see the difference. For example, this one, let's go and click on open. And what we need to do with image is we want to highlight both our layers. So highlight that both. You want to right click on it and you want to go and choose the use as mask option. Now, what we need to do is you want to select your image here. So in this case, rectangle 1. And you could go and change this to a vector if I'm mistaken. And yeah, so if you choose luminance, this is what's going to look like. But if you choose vector here, so yeah, you want to keep this as luminance. So when we actually add, let's go and add a sample square here, and let's go and place the mask group here above it. And as you can see, it's now faded. So you could go and see other stuff behind it if you want to. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.